Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and tonight I'm going to be making sausage pierogi casserole. For that I'm going to need a bag of mini pierogis, or you could do homemade. About 2 cups of shredded cheese. I used a nice blend of cheddar and mozzarella. A small container of sour cream, a cup of milk, a sausage package, much like this. I'm going to use beef smoked tonight. A half a cup of cream, about a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and garlic salt, and about a medium onion diced. Alright, well this should be pretty fun. First step will be to get the onion cooking. Sprinkle of seasonings in and get the sausages browning. After that's browned up, I'll be adding in the sour cream in small intervals that I can start blending into the onions and the sausage. After that, I'll be putting in the cream. The milk. And the pierogis will go in. Start slowly stirring those in. And after it's cooked well, roughly put about a cup in. And mix that in thoroughly. After it's cooked up, we are going to put it into a casserole dish. Don't worry about the stringy pieces of cheese. We will fix it in a little bit. Alright, while our oven is preheating to 375, I'll be putting the last cup of sprinkled cheese over the top. We will be baking this for the next 30 minutes. And when it's all done, it'll look like this. So I'm going to let that set a second and dish some up. I've dished some up. It looks amazing. So I'm going to try to get a little bite of everything, and let's go. I'm going to have to say it's very rich, but I was expecting that with the cream in it. I love all the flavors in it, though. Has a really good spice complex for it. And I don't know, it's just a really overall good little casserole. It has the potatoes and the pasta and the sausage. It's great. So I'd totally make this again sometime. So if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know the drill. Leave me a message about it, and I'll get it and see you in the next video when I can talk again.